Today is a tasty, easy recipe, fall off the bone lamb shanks that are cooked in a slow cooker. Wonderful and tasty and great as leftovers too. So let's get cooking. First thing we need to do is get a bowl and put flour, salt, pepper and coat the lamb shanks in the flour. Shake off the excess. Next we need to get a large frying pan and add a little oil to it. Cook the lamb over high heat until browned all over. Transfer the lamb shanks into the slow cooker. Add the remaining oil into the same pan with onions, carrots, garlic, and cook stirring over a medium heat for around 2 minutes until the onions start to soften. Add tomato paste, cook, stirring for a further minute. Add wine to the pan and bring to the boil. Stir in stock, undrained tomatoes, sugar, and bring to the boil. Pour over the lamb in the slow cooker, making sure the lamb is covered with the liquid. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 hours on low settings or until the lamb is soft and falling off the bone. Remove lamb from the slow cooker. Cover the lamb to keep warm. Turn the slow cooker to high and have it uncovered for 30 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Remove any fat from the surface. Serve the lamb with sauce, mashed potatoes and steamed green vegetables if desired. And there you have it, slow cooked lamb shanks. Now this particular meal you can freeze the leftovers for a further meal. I usually make up enough for about 4 meals for myself personally, and or it's good if you're having 4 people over for dinner. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe and share, and also go to my channel, which is Philip Gale's Cooking Recipes. You'll also see another recipe up in the corner that might like to try. And until next time, bye for now.